Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a mini cat eye makeup tutorial using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy this video and would like to see more. I'm starting out using a black gel liner from Sigma and a Sigma small angled eye brush. Drawing an imaginary line from the corner of my eye to the end of my brow, this is where I'm going to start to design my wing. This trick ensures that I get my eyes even on both sides. Following that imaginary line, I'm then going to run the product throughout my lid crease, picking up more product if needed. I like to use a black gel liner instead of a black eyeshadow for this step because I find it allows the lines to be a lot crisper and sharper, and also a black eyeshadow does tend to oxidize throughout the day if it doesn't have a brown eyeshadow base to sit on. Once I've created my wing, I'm going to pick up more product and begin to fill it in. I would recommend working quickly with this step as once a gel liner dries, it is hard to budge. Taking a Luxie pencil brush and this matte brown shade called Odd, I have no idea how to pronounce it, I'm going to place it directly where that liner stops, and I'm going to try my best to blend it into that cat eye so there's no harsh lines. Because the liner has dried, it's a little bit tricky to blend in, but I do show you how you can get around that in just a sec. Also, I'm ensuring that with every eyeshadow I apply, I'm not taking it any higher than where my crease lies. Doing that will diminish the effect of a cat eye we're trying to achieve. Taking a Zoeva detail shader brush, I'm picking up this gorgeous shade called Royal and I'm patting it in place. These shadows do tend to have significant fallout, so I'm tapping off the excess before applying the shadow. I do go in with a few layers of the shade to really make it pop. Because I tapped off the excess, the pigment isn't as intense as it could be, so it just takes a while to build it up again. I'm returning to that pencil eye brush and picking up a black eyeshadow. Any black eyeshadow you have on hand will do the trick, and I'm going to blend that into the line where the brown shade and the gel liner meet, and this ensures that we get a seamless and well blended effect to this look. Taking a Luxie angled eye brush and some concealer, I'm going to begin to clean up the edges of my wing to sharpen it up even more. And lastly, I'm going to be combining a black eyeshadow with the brown shade from the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to be running this along my lower lash line to intensify this area. Because the top half of my eye is so heavy, I do want to even it out as best I can with the bottom half of my eye so it doesn't look too strange. I added on a pair of falsies and that is the look complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do happen to recreate this look or any of my other looks, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to feature some of you. Have a good day and I'll talk to you.